Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet flower designs, different color, different designs, different ideas, color combination also in front of you. I hope you like this collection, most attractive collection for beautiful and creative ladies. So dear friends, I hope you like this collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful and always trendy, so I suggest you to watch this video till then for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this very beautiful collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and every beautiful crochet material you get. So dear friends, like crochet flower designs and others like crochet baby frog designs, baby romper designs, baby shoes designs, cap designs, women cap designs and men cap designs also, short gloves, long gloves, fingerless gloves and neck warmer, leg warmer and crochet women, bodycon dresses, skirts, blouses also, crochet scarf designs, flowering scarf designs, circular jackets and in jewelry, women necklace designs, earring designs, finger rings, bracelets and anklet designs also, baby anklets and many more others. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet flower have been prepared for you. So dear friends, most attractive collection you can decorate from this your baby frog designs, your cushions and pillow also, other things. Try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video with your close friends and relatives and they also enjoy this video like you. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection and please remember me in your prayers and bye.